Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming 0 voltage with a tester. Safety comes first. Once done, set a stable ladder and position the replacement sensor within reach. You'll need a Phillips and flat screwdriver, wire strippers, pliers, wire nuts, and the new motion sensor rated for the fixture. Make sure to wear gloves and safety glasses. Remove the old bulb and cover now so you can access the sensor mounting screws and wiring quickly. You loosen the housing screws and lower the assembly so the wiring is exposed. Support it so nothing strains the wires. Next, identify which conductor is line, usually black, neutral white, and green or bare for ground, and confirm with the photo you took. This avoids mistakes. Once identified, remove the old sensor leads by undoing wire nuts. Keep the old sensor nearby in case you need to compare. Make sure to note any timers or multi-mode. You attach the new sensor by matching and connecting its leads to the corresponding wires, line to line, neutral to neutral, ground to ground, and secure each with a properly sized wire nut. Tug gently to confirm. Once mounted and cover reinstalled, restore power at the breaker and test the sensor through day-night and motion cycles, adjusting sensitivity and time settings as needed. If it fails, make sure the breaker is on, recheck your connections, and confirm the sensor matches the fixture voltage and load. Replace if defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.